Hey guys, back at it with another video. You guys remember I did exhaust muffler delete startup rev last time, and quite a lot has happened since then. What happened was, if you read the description, I had a flex pipe fixed here, and basically it dry rotted and fell off, so I had to go get the actual job done again. So we got a steel pipe, straight pipe fixed on now. I'll give you guys another startup of the exhaust. Caught that little drone. Yeah, there's definitely a leak in the car, in the pipe, so I need to get that fixed as well. And another mod I got was the LED lights installed on the strips, the headlamp and the fog lights, and it turned out pretty well. So yep, that's pretty much it.